Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that the AI coins are popping off in 2023. Now, that interest has waned and AI coin prices are starting to return back to their respective averages, but I'm starting to wonder, should I buy more? So in this video, I'm going to break down one of the most popular AI coins and give you my take on it. So you are officially watching episode 1 of a 4-part series on AI coins in 2023. Now that we have some good data on the macro environment in 2023, I wanted to personally deliver a download to you all concerning what altcoins I think are positioned to do well outside of the big dogs: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, etc. But before you strap yourself in and we get too far into this video, make sure that you smash that like button for me. Make sure you hit subscribe, boom, bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Now, let's get into one of the top trending AI coins in 2023. So Fetch.ai has been on my and probably your radar for quite a while. And let me tell you, this project has been making some serious moves lately. We're talking about more than a 500% pump from January 1st to the candle closes in early February of 2023. Not bad. Now, I know what you're thinking, but ChatGPT triggered AI projects to begin pumping. What's so special about Fetch.ai? Well, Fetch.ai is ranked in the top 5 overall market cap coin in the AI crypto space. That's one thing. It went from 8 cents to 54 cents in 40 days. That's 2 things. So this is not your average AI project, and let's dive in and see what makes Fetch.ai stand out and what that actually means. So first things first, let's talk about the coin itself. The coin itself is called FET, and it stands for Fetch. Fetch refers to a line of code in a protocol that fetches data from a library or some node of information in cyberspace. Humayun Sheikh is a British entrepreneur and the co-founder and CEO of Fetch.ai. And before starting Fetch.ai, Sheikh was an entrepreneur and investor with over 20 years of experience in the technology and financial sectors. He co-founded a number of successful tech startups, including Cognicity, a smart city accelerator, and Zelle Networks, a blockchain-based data storage and management platform. Under Sheikh's leadership, Fetch.ai has become a leading player in the development of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, which use AI and blockchain technology to create more efficient and effective networks of digital service. And Fetch.ai has developed partnerships with a range of companies and organizations, including Bosch, the University of Cambridge, and the International Telecommunications Union, or the ITU. And Sheikh is a recognized thought leader in the blockchain and AI industries and has spoken at numerous conferences and events around the world. He is also an active contributor to the blockchain and AI communities, serving on the advisory boards of several other blockchain and AI startups. And to go even further, Fetch combines AI with blockchain to build a decentralized, inclusive digital economy that enables people to trade goods and services in the most optimal way, at least in their opinion. And what really got my attention is this next part, because Fetch.ai claims that they are building the autonomy of things. So what does that mean? Could this be a future-proof value add to the aspirational Internet of Things, or the IoT? The Fetch.ai team has actually been developing novel and semi-novel concepts such as autonomous agents, interchain bridges, and an open economic framework, or OEF. So in the words of Pop Smoke, you can tell that they are shooting for the stars and aiming for the moon with this project. At its base and core, this project is all about solving real-world problems with the help of AI and machine learning. Now, let's talk about the interchain bridge, shall we? This is one of the key features of Fetch.ai because it allows interoperability, a term I am sure that you have heard of by now, right? But in case you haven't, interoperability, or the lack thereof, actually allows for seamless communication and data transfers between different blockchains, making it easier for users to access and utilize different blockchain networks without being limited to a single blockchain. This is how a lot of people accidentally lose their money in crypto via cross-chain transactions, and that's something that Presend actually helps fix. Coming very soon. Interoperability is becoming increasingly more important as more blockchain networks are being developed for specific use cases, resulting in a fragmented ecosystem of blockchain solutions. There's obviously various approaches to achieving blockchain interoperability, such as building bridges between different blockchains, creating cross-chain protocols, and developing middleware solutions. Obviously, Fetch.ai has taken the bridge approach to solve for interoperability, and Fetch.ai actually claims to be a very innovative new chain and also claims that it has learned from all the lessons of larger existing blockchains. So Fetch seeks to have the security of Bitcoin, the privacy of Zcash, and the speed of HBAR all bundled up into one nice package. It's honestly mind-blowing if they do pull it off. So let me ask you this, do you actually believe Fetch is doing this effectively, or even could they do it effectively? So let me know what you think in the comments section, and we will move on from the Fetch interoperability bridge. Now, let's check out its autonomous agents tech. And don't think secret agents like James Bond. Think of the technical definition of agent, which is more like an entity that is empowered to make a decision. They're like the cool kids on the block that call the shots. Autonomous agents make decisions based on the data that they're given, and Fetch.ai gives them the ability to interact with each other and negotiate to solve real-world problems. Beautiful. And the best part, they're self-governed, which means they don't need humans watching over them. Talk about taking AI to the next level. Imagine how this is going to work in robotics, computer networks, and even self-driving cars. It's like the Matrix, but you can profit from it and it's not evil, or at least not yet. But wait, there's obviously more. The Open Economic Framework, or OEF, is the most crucial piece of tech in the Fetch offering. The OEF is an open source platform that integrates smart contracts, AI, and DAOs to automate and optimize trading in a quick, secure, and transparent way. It leverages data from all the other pieces of the puzzle that make this economy work. And Fetch.ai just achieved the milestone of having 5 million transactions on their network. In my opinion, this is a pretty massive accomplishment for any project. It shows that there are a lot of folks out there in Web3 and they see growth and potential for Fetch.ai. Now, in my opinion, all in all, Fetch.ai is an actually impressive product with a lot of substance behind it. Now, we reach the big question, should I invest in Fetch.ai? Although I will agree it's certainly a compelling project to invest in if you think interoperability, AI, OEF, and IoT are going to be important tech in the future. But just remember right now, AI is a trend, and we've seen plenty of trends before in crypto. Remember metaverse, NFTs, supply chain, and tons of other trends like meme coins? The best advice I can give someone is to remember that AI is that trend. But like any other trend in crypto, it is best to buy when the hype is low and sell when the hype is at its peak. But that's all I have for this episode, so make your own decision, and if you like content like this, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe, boom, bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for showing up to this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, everyone.